Okay, here's the finished product.
Good job. Trying to stick my boot from.
So building off that top ridge being a full 8-foot 2x4, then my first cuts will be kind of the ends that go from the front to the back at the bottom of the A-frame. And if my math is right, those each will need to be 89 inches long. So we're going to cut 2 of those. To measure the piece of plywood for the end, basically my helper here is going to hold it up next to it, and then I'm just going to trace it. Now to center it, if my measurements is this a 4x8 sheet of plywood, we should have 8.5 inch kind of gap on each bottom. And then we've got some scrap plywood that we'll use to fill that in. All right, so there's the frame built with the ends on. The only thing left to do now is to put the tin siding on. What do you think, Austin? How's it look?
That looks great.
Ava, you agree?
Fantastic.
Okay, good. Let's finish this up. Okay, the only thing left now is to put the 4 roofing panels on and the ridge cap across the top. Now, both of my helpers have gloves. I probably should be wearing gloves too. This stuff here is super sharp, so whenever you handle it, make sure you have proper protection on it.
Reach mine up just a tad with my foot. Yay! Look at this.
So I'm not going to screw this top row in yet because I'm going to wait till I put the ridge cap on it and screw through both at the same time. But I'll go ahead and screw down to where the overlap is for the other piece.
Okay. Trying to stick my boot from here, scooch it out. So how slippery these things are. Dull.
All right, so here's the sides. They're on. The last piece is to put the ridge cap on. Obviously that would get wet. Now, one thing to note that I didn't mention, if you're using siding like this at your overlap, make sure this one is on top of this one so that as the rain comes down, it won't try to find its way behind there. So let's get this cap on. I think it turned out pretty good. This flashing on the top, I think, worked perfectly. They make a ridge cap that you can actually buy that's for this, but that ridge cap is $34, and this flashing was $14, so big savings. I mean, this thing's pretty big on the inside. I think 3 or 4 full-grown pigs to fit in there just nicely, especially fill that thing up with hay, let them just get all up in there. The one thing that has got me, I don't know, we'll figure it out, but this thing's heavy, and you know, we're a pasture operation with everything. Our poultry during the summer, our beef, our pork is always rotation, and this thing's going to be hard to move. I got a couple ideas on how exactly we'll move it, but I guess we'll figure that out tomorrow when I build the other 2. Okay, let's talk about total materials for this build. So for this build, you have 9 8-foot 2x4s that went into it. So 4 for the bottom, 1 for the ridge cap, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 for the ribs or the A's of the A-frame. So a total of 9. You have 4 pieces of roofing tin and 1 piece of flashing for the top. I used 1.5-inch roofing screws here, and I used 3-inch screws to hold the stuff together. Candidly, it probably would have been a little bit easier with the 2.5-inch screws. There's a few places where I had to kind of make sure it didn't poke through, and then 1 5/8-inch screws for the plywood back. Now this is half a sheet of plywood, so you've also got that to consider. Now, as far as scraps, you know, one of the things I'm always keen on is maximizing the lumber usage, you know, the scraps. And basically, this is it. So that's the scraps from the the plywood. This is the scraps from the 2x, and then these two I'll save for another project. And then I've got the half a sheet of plywood still left over. And I've got 2 more, maybe 3 more of these I'm going to build. Yeah, here's the finished product. This is pretty good.
Yeah, sure.
All right, I hope you enjoyed our video on building this pig hutch. And again, there's a lot of them out on the internet like this. This is kind of my take, the A-frame. Pig hutch is not anything new. And again, if you found something useful on this, I'd love it if you would give this video a like and a thumbs up. And my 2 helpers here.
I'm Ava. I'm Austin.
And we look forward to making another video for you soon.